Um, so basically, we can do the post installation configuration. I will first send the PDF in the group or the PowerPoint or whatever for study. So from this section here, you'll get this at the unlock screen. So for open this screen here, you can the inputs on the keyboard and then click the insert control alt delete key. This is in I just installed the system fresh and all like so when you do a class I install the system fresh for it. Then now we get for do as we so for go do a post installation like as I done the installation and not for do it in the next so any post installation basically mean so we just put smart password win that's 2019. This is just a very basic password you could just put in, just enter, and you can wait for. As you see, it just starts. Like I just install and just now the first on home screen. This is the means we install. It took some time. Yes. This no matter. This I follow for short and down. Yeah, what be installed for start but so no matter. We scroll down a bit to go see the start key, the search, Internet Explorer, and so on. So this is the computer a bit slow, so we'll supposed to be computer fast and start work on that. So that so basically this is the server manager dashboard. This is the tool now. These are like basically everything with the all everything out of yeah. So we will after for presentation is like post installation. What's up for the next? So I will get something like this now, yeah. So the first thing we have to do is a naming the naming thing. For name this overwrite and randomize host name. So at the moment, here for the computer gets it just random names there, like no consistent name, not even the like I just random letters I put together as we go we see. So that I put this is type it, sorry. So I just send the PDF. The PDF actually gets well, I try for the PDF. The PDF file to see I get sorry. Mm, this is the PDF. Take time for overload. I just so this is the first phase, and this is the phase one. Yeah, system identity and network fabric. So we write the generated name, the system generated name. So we go logging onto the server manager dashboard will boot automatically, as we see in boots automatically for itself. Then we'll click on the local server property item page, which is this. We'll click on it back again. So the next step is that we locate the top left and line property designated as computer name and click the blue text ink of string blue text ink string so which is this so computer name. Click on this. We go back. I just say should not add steps. So basically we need to learn this and understand how this stuff operates. So inside the system property control panel, focus field, click on the change button, this change button, click on the change button. Then we get computer name to main changes. You can change the name of the membership of this computer. Changes might affect access to the network resources. This is the current computer name now. It's as you see, you just randomize. I'm not getting anything for doing. So you just say I'll type the randomized text character with your explicit labels and then you start for yourself. So just change it. So just get this group two group two presentation So this is our presentation server. So just click OK. I'll click OK. So you see like a complete active for restart immediately. Or it's just 15 characters. So let me reduce this name. Okay, but let's just save and also. So click close. It starts now. So I pause the video. When it restarts, then will come back. So we're back again. These are the so import keyboard and the first one. And then now use the password when as 2019. To go Wi-Fi load and yeah. So you take a while for load. So also it want to server load. So if you possibly could piece and try for just for we can work together. So just close this one and we'll show up every time. So go on a local server, we still don't change the group to group to presentation. So that's one of the first post installation thing we need to do. The second one we need to do is static IPv4 configuration interface binding. So we need to put a static IP configuration because the server forget a static IP and don't forget anything like the DHCP or we go change it. I forget a stagnant IP address. So for doing now, we go that win 2019. We minimize or close this for storage scroll. Since I don't put this full screen, it will scroll down to laptop this adapter. Click on you can show this thing quite slow right now. I don't know why. Yeah, it's showing on this network and internet settings. Click it. Okay, scroll go back up and then we count at the setting keyboard. Then next step for do we'll say open change click on change adapter options. Adapter options we click on it. Get another file again. So after I click on about adapter option, the next thing for click on is if I click the primary virtual hardware link, typically titled as Internet Zero and choose properties. So this is it. Right click and choose properties. We don't go to properties say now. Then the next part of this should be highlight the specific item model now. Model name which is IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4 and click properties. So we enter the system, go to IPv4 version control properties, and then we'll come from this snap of DHCP. We are now use IP address. We now is IP address. Let's say we use 192.168.10.10.5. There's something now 255.255.0. Sync, we'll do that. And we just say gateway dot 10.1. Sorry, the gateway will say 192.168.10.1. So then when you just click inside the okay, I'm just sorry, let me just read this again. Provided prefer option, look up inside then set okay. I'm just scrolling a little. Okay, and yeah, we close it, and see, take a while to load, and we don't change the IP address. Basically, this the IPv4 address. What did it? Don't change So now we move on to operating architecture maintenance, which is the time zone alignment and NTP time synchronization. This basically means put it into correct time zone, put it basically organic. Sorry. So back here again, now we change the time. So currently if we watch the start for time, the time is 8:25 and it's July, so it's June 25. Currently it's June 26. It is in June 25. Mm. And the actual time is right now, it's 2:25 a.m. Which says this. So this so we can just say what is a secure infrastructure authentication methods completely box endpoints if local clock exceeds 5 minutes. So mm, click directly on the digital calendar display clock located at the far right bottom taskbar, and then choose the date and time settings. So if we go back to virtual machine, this is we click on this date and time settings, and then we do go back and say locate the time zone configuration settings, drop down panel and choose the appropriate tracking formats. Scroll downwards into the synchronization field parameters window block and click on active sync now. Okay, change the time zone. Sorry, the time zone. We have watch what the time zone. Okay, it's real. I think this is it for now. Yeah, so we change the time zone and down to into synchronization field parameters window block and click the bit time sync. So I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Sorry. I already choose this. So the time and this is how I call it. So it's Friday, 3:28 a.m. Yeah, so now move on to security and access adding. So adding a name, the local administrator accounts, the sort must scripts on local network some targets defaults like this idea like administrator. Administrator is not a good idea, a good name for us for to use. So if we're done with this, we close this. Where you get time and distance. So go back. It says right click on the Windows startup icon and select computer management. Right here, right click computer management. So at computer management says in the left console utility folder, storage navigation, pantry, expand local user and go and click on users. So we look here for local user and go expand and look for users. So just let me just scroll up again. Users, and then what's supposed to do next is I click on the default built-in user and the role name, administrator, choose the context menu option, rename. So click on this administrator. So it's clicked. Let's let me show. So sorry. Right click and rename. Rename it to group 2. This is what just administrator for this. So enter, right click here, nearly modify screen name. You have to set any password also. So enter. Sorry. So just enter and then right click here and then modify string and name. So then set password, select proceed and ID secure password string. So we right click again, set password. So your logon has gone to you have chosen to reset the password for your local user account. Resetting this password may cause irreversible loss of information for security purposes. This data. If you know the correct password you want to change, press proceed. So then put your password. Say the password is group at soon. And also I'm typing capital GROUP at soon. Then the password has been set. So what next we'll do, we'll really set the password. Okay. So the sixth part is activating remote desktop protocol RDP services and airlines. So enables infrastructure management without having to maintain a constant active resource console display shared within VirtualBox. So say navigate back to we'll go back to the server manager. So the server manager is open. I think this is it, yeah. Then go back to local server, the 19.5 parameter that say remote desktop and click the blue start a stream. So remote desktop and click. So it's currently disabled. Inside the system property remote tab pop-up window, focus selection panel. Check the radio choice to allow remote connection to this computer. Okay. You choose the enable remote computer for this next computer. So okay. So the next thing we're supposed to do is give the mandatory protection checkbox flag for required computers to use and network level authentication to connect and apply. So tell you cool. So say apply. Okay. Apply. Then okay. I think it's sorry. I think it's you have to restart it again. So okay. For phase 4, the data center volume infrastructure. Formatting and locating secondary block storage. I don't know account. So this is basically so all expansion virtual disks are pending over the hypervisor control required to format the basically just is basically like formatting the drive and station needs. So we go back to the Windows part, like text management. So we say focus on initialize the text and power. Okay. We minimize this again. Go down. Text management. This is something like initialize text this something. Hmm. What's this? Let's try click again. Okay. I think we have to restart the computer now. So we have to restart it and then try. Let's restart it. I'm gonna pause when it's restart finish. I want to send it again. So we'll start again. So click and try for open. So now, first, if you notice with the hash, you're supposed to be administrator. Now it's good. So your password against go at soon. Look at the password. So after code 2, we have to wait for the server manager to pop up and then yeah, we're back again and now we're supposed to do the last part, which is that this hand location. So you come here, right click on the start button, text management, so it's supposed to load and then it shows you this. So this is basically my hard drive at the moment. I gave it 20 gig because I don't have too much space. So I gave it 20 gigs. So what we're supposed to do is to focus on ensure preparation. So ensure that this checked like red item is selected to use the modern partition GPT, which is drive. I click OK. So projects. So I don't know. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So sorry. So s- sorry. But this is the system. So this is my text. This is so the gig free. So we have to yeah, just need space. You can just for assigning different spaces done. And this space going on. So this is just allocating space. You have too much space. You have to allocate and differentiate them and all that. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the videos on here and then try for send the PDF and please I big little try for releasing the video. I know it's long as 20. I don't take time because I seen at 3 o'clock, so I just do for the presentation, please let me just watch. Yeah.